Hello, my name's Jenny and I'm a youth worker with Dumfries and Galloway Council. Thank you so much to everyone that watched our both videos over the Home Fest Easter weekend. I really appreciate all the likes, all the comments, all the shares. It's been a fantastic response and we're so thrilled, so thank you so much. We've got another video today. This one is about family. I've got some signs in front of me because there's so many to get through. So these are family signs, so it's important for describing family members or like personal relationships round about you. So the first one we've got is mum, so that's just tapping your head, mum. Then we have dad, so it's like an F, tapping again, dad. So mum and dad. Then we've got grandmother, which is G-M. So if you haven't seen before, we've got a tutorial for the alphabet. So watch that video and then these signs will be much easier. So G-M, grandmother. Then grandfather is G-F. So G-F, grandfather. Then we have son, which is a stroke under the chin, son. Son. Then daughter, which is just a D, and you're tapping twice, so daughter. Daughter. Then girl is a stroke, so girl. Girl. And boy is a stroke under the chin, so boy. Boy. And girlfriend and boyfriend, quite easy to remember. Girlfriend is girl, so you're just stroking twice. Girlfriend. And boyfriend is boyfriend. So girlfriend and boyfriend. Then we have baby, which is just baby. So we have friend, which is just clapping your hands, friend. Friend. Then we have child, so it's literally just child. So kid on, there's a small child here, child. And then if there's multiples, so there's children, then you'll do children. So children. Child and children. Then we have aunt and uncle, which is the same sign, so it's aunt and uncle. Now a couple of you have asked why there's the same sign for things, so like please and thank you, then aunt and uncle. The reason why is you'll change your lip pattern, so even though aunt and uncle is the same, it'll look different when you actually see it, so that's why you can tell the difference. Then we have brother, which is knuckled together, brother. That's brother. Then sister is just a little hook and you're tapping twice, sister. So that's brother, sister. And then the sign for family is just family. Family. So that's all the signs for like family and personal relationships. So thank you so much for watching. Get practicing and we'll see you next week. Bye.